I'm here with Elhay Efrat from Amdocs. This is coming to you live from OpenStack Boston, open source podcast. Elhay is one of the leading DevOps guys at Amdocs, doing interesting stuff around OpenStack and now ONAP. Looking to hear a little bit about your perspective on where OpenStack is going, and then soon ONAP as well.
Basically, I think that ONAP and OpenStack are going to rule the community. OpenStack is a huge project, as you can see. Many projects, many interest in all places. And ONAP, basically, I think it will be like OpenStack, but for NFV platform, for provider, telcos, and enterprises.
How soon do you think ONAP will have a viable product and be usable in the real world?
Then basically ONAP is built from building blocks, and each component is basically representative the section that ONAP need to handle in the NFV world or in the automation world. And basically I think that ONAP gives the solution for all aspects in NFV, from design, service design and creation, till execution, active and available inventory, policy, and everything else.
What do you think was exciting news from the OpenStack Summit this year, and what do you think still needs to be done?
Then I think the OpenStack Summit, all the OpenStack Summit was around containers and how you microservice your application and how to scale. And I think Kubernetes and containers are part of the picture, part of OpenStack, like Zun project, Magnum, and all other that are concentrating right now in moving OpenStack on top of containers and OpenStack manage orchestration for containers.
I find it really interesting, that Amdocs is taking a leading role in these open source projects. I think that's an historical change for an organization like Amdocs. What instigated this change? How do you think that this is significant for Amdocs, and do you think this will be the business driver moving forward?
Then basically when we started NCSO and ONAP and all NFV project in Amdocs, we started to understand, and I came from also, I all time worked before with open source, and I think that the strategic decision to move to open source ONAP by AT&T and Amdocs will create a big change, and I don't think any company or any vendor can really handle this kind of scale of written code and architecture and design pattern and everything. Then when a community do that, it can take it to a real place that it can help all people that want to use this platform.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I think you guys are doing exciting stuff. I'm looking forward to hearing what's going on.